Now, if you want to repair your Nubwo G06 headset with your dongle again, well, this one is quite easy. Now, the thing with the dongle and this headset's uh, compatibility, well, automatically, if you bought it for the first time, they'll be paired up. So you don't have to pair them up if this is the first time that you're using your device. But just in case, like for example, you lost the connections, no longer working, how do you exactly repair them? Well, to repair this dongle and this headset, what you need to do is you want to go and just make sure your headset is turned off first. So it's fully shut down, it's not working. And what you need to do next is you want to get the dongle and you want to go and just plug it into your console or your PC. And once it's actually plugged in, you want to go ahead and just head over to your headset's power button, and you want to go and just basically press this for about like 10 seconds. Now, it's really important that you start that you start at the headset being turned off, and once you press and hold the power button, this will actually turn on your headset, and you may see it start blinking or some light flashing here. So just wait for a while, it will start pairing with your dongle here, and pretty much you're good to go afterwards once the light actually stabilizes. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.